Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Hadalgi, and today we are going to write a program for converting the degrees from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python. So let's get started. First of all, let me define my main function. Then let me write if underscore name equals underscore main. Then call the main function. Then let me define Celsius. Sorry. Celsius equals, we are going to take the int as the input. So int, and let's write enter the value in Celsius. Then after taking the int as input, let us write a formula for Fahrenheit. So these are the two formulas in order for the conversion. That is, if you would like to convert the Fahrenheit into centigrade, then Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9 will give you centigrade. And if you have centigrade and you need to find the Fahrenheit, then just cross multiply, and centigrade times 9 by 5 plus 32 will give you Fahrenheit. So let us implement Fahrenheit. So let me take this Control C, Control V equals Celsius times of 5 by 9, 5.0 divided by 9.0. Okay, then let me add 32 to this. Okay, then let me print this many parentheses, this many Celsius equals this many Fahrenheit. Then dot format, let me write this comma this. Let us just run this. So let me enter 100, and it gives 100 Celsius equals 87.555 Fahrenheit. So now let's make the reverse of this. That is, we'll convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit to Celsius. So in order to do that, coming here, we need to take C as the input, F as the input, subtract 32. So let me just rename these variables. Okay, then this will be Fahrenheit. So I'll be taking Fahrenheit as the input. So this will be Fahrenheit. Sorry, this will be Celsius. This will be Celsius. This will be Fahrenheit. Okay, then let us change the formula. That should be F minus 32. So this should be Fahrenheit minus T minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9 multiplied by 5 by 9. So this takes the Fahrenheit as the integer input and places it here. Then Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 by 9 according to this formula here. Then Celsius, and first the Fahrenheit will be placed here and the Celsius will be placed here. So let's just run this. Okay, now let me write 34 Fahrenheit, hit enter, and 34 Fahrenheit is 1.1111 Celsius. So this is the basic program on this. That's it for today. For more tutorials, hit like, share and subscribe.